Well, hello, all my fluid art friends, especially my members. This is a members only video first. I might make it public the day before Valentine's Day, but what this is a test run of a heart that I drilled some holes in, if you can see it. So, let's do this. I want to try to do the leaky cut method with a heart. So, first I'm going to put a little puddle of paint right here. Okay, wait a minute, let me put it right there because it's going to drip. I'm going to move it around just a little bit. Yes, I see air bubbles, but the air bubbles are going to stay until I got all the paint on there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, sorry if I just hit the camera, I felt my hat hit it. So next Sunday is Valentine's Day, and I wanted to do some heart pours. So we're going to see how this works. So now this is just Artist Loft White mixed with I think the pouring medium I used was just Floetrol. Now I'm going to fill up the bottom of it so the paint has a way to get out the holes, the colors. Drip. Okay, this one is Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple. And I'm going to go around the edge like this so it comes out the sides. I will spin it some too to see how it comes out. Come on, drip, drip. I can see you want to drip. Now I'm going to put a little bit of gold on it. What I found in my pre-mixed, the paints I've already had mixed, was Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold. I can't remember the number. The number of it will be down in the description. So now I'm going to do the gold in a layer over it. What I'm hoping for is I'm hoping for there to be a white heart in the middle. Okay, I may end up doing some more layers. Now this is Liquitex neon pink. Or fluorescent pink, I think they call it. So let's see how this comes out. Each layer of paint is forcing the other colors out. And when I spin it, the paint that's in there should be coming out. I see most of the colors coming out around it. Okay, this is Liquitex Basics Brilliant Purple. All of my colors are mixed with 1:1 with some Liquitex Gloss Pouring Medium and Varnish, and then that part is mixed about, I'm going to have to say about 3:1 with Floetrol. Okay, now let me put another layer of purple on there since I have some left. Well, you know what? Let's spin it and see how much it goes out before I put more color on there. But let me move my cups before it splatters all over my cups. Okay, so let's see how a gentle spin works. Woo! I don't need more paint. Not covering this side right here, so let me put just a hair bit of white right there to help the paint along. There we go. So let me do another spin now and see how that covers the corners. And that covered it pretty well. Let me go the other way just to be sure. Wait a minute, let me get it up here a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I want to preserve the white in the middle, so this is going to have to be very, very quickly to get it not to drip on the heart. So you want to lift it straight up. Ah, I didn't get a heart in the middle. Okay, well, I didn't get a heart in the middle. Okay, I'm going to have to rethink this a little bit. Well, I got kind of a heart. Let me touch up a couple little sides here. My corners look fine. And then I'm going to torch it and bring it up for a close-up off of the board. Okay, torch, there you are. So, for the members, tell me what you think of this technique. For everybody else, let me say welcome to my channel. And I hope you like this video. I'm not doing anything with the middle right there. I'm going to see how much the paint seeps in. Okay, I need some gold from somewhere to put right there. And I need a little bit of pink on that corner. Let me carefully come over here and put a little bit of color right there. And a little bit of color right there. And it looks like all the sides are matched. So, do I have, well, I got this. So, let me use this to kind of scrape the paint away to show you what it looks like. And then I will pick it up, and just for a younger viewer of mine that likes watching me, I will pick it up so it can play for the camera, and I will wipe its little bottom before I put it to bed. So tell me down in the comments what you think of this. I will be doing this next Sunday on my live on February 14th. I still ended up with a little bit of a heart right there. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Ah, there we go. Don't want to tilt it. I don't want to distort that heart. Now the back is covered with press and seal so I can hold it in the middle while it's playing for the camera. Take it down just a little bit because it's filling up the whole screen. So tell me what you think down in the comments, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you to all my members that support me. Woo! And just if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Don't forget to hit the little bell for the notifications. I am a resin artist at heart, so I have a tendency to do more resin, but I'm getting into acrylic, so I'm learning the aspects of acrylic painting, which is so totally different than acrylics. Got some bare spots right there. Everything else looks good. So here she is playing for the camera, sweet little girl that she is. And I'm going to say little girl because it's in pink, it's got pink in it. So thank you all for watching. I hope that you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. So all I can say is, wiping off my hands so I don't drip, is bye for now.